Hello, pre-calculus. Here are the problems as promised, page 173, the bottom of page 173. We made it through the week here, just doing basic algebra stuff. Hopefully you guys are getting all of this. On the next slide, I've already written all the answers, so you can check your answers, and then if you got anything wrong, just keep on watching the video. Otherwise, you can just stop the video unless you just really missed my voice, and then you could just, just play this on repeat all weekend. Okay, so I thought these problems were going to be tougher, but they were not. I thought they were going to be a little tougher, but sorry, they weren't. Here are the answers, and there we go. And so these are all the answers for the problems 21 through 32, okay? So go ahead and pause the video, check your answers, and then any problems that you got wrong, just fast forward to me working them out. On here, I did one problem per slide. I just don't have a way to tell you what time each one of these problems happens. So you'll just have to kind of scroll it, on your own. Okay, so I'm moving on. Here's number 21. It's a little ditty where you have to, oh, you know what? How about I use calligraphy pen for my answers? Yes, for all my work. Okay, so here goes. 3 cubed is 27. That's going to be a to the negative 6 and 3a to the 5th. Well, 3 times 27 is 81. And then there's a to the negative 1, right? So then you just write that as 81 over a. Okay? Next one. Number 22, square the stuff. 16x to the 6 times 3x to the negative 2. 16 times 3 is 48. And then that's x to the 4th. Next one. Number 23, this would be 3 to the negative 1, n to the negative 1. Oh, wait, I don't need to do that. These two parentheses match. It's 3n squared to the 6. Well, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 729 n to the 12th. I like that way much better. These don't match. Doggone it. It's 2 to the 4th, r to the negative 4th. 4 to the negative 2, r to the negative 4th. Okay, so 2 to the 4th is 16. And then this 4 to the negative 4th, that's going, or 4 to the negative 2nd, that's going on the bottom, and that's 16. And then there's going to be 8 r's on the bottom. So then that's just 1 over r to the 8th. It's a pirate problem, r. Number 25, hey, those match. So that's going to be 2a to the negative 1 to the 4th. So that's 2 to the 4th, a to the negative 4th, which is 16 over a to the 4th. And that's number 25. Loving the calligraphy pen. How about I switch up the color? No. Yeah, why not? Let's go crazy. Number 26. These don't match. Doggone it. Negative 3 squared is 9. That'd be n to the negative 6. This is negative 9 n to the negative 4th. Okay, 4 n's are moving up, 6 n's are moving down. So it's going to be negative 1 and then n squared on the bottom. Number 27. Hey, these match up. So that's a over b squared to the negative 5th. So then that would be a to the negative 5th, b to the negative 10th, and then they just switch spots. So it's b to the 10th over a to the 5th. Ta-da! Number 28. Hey, these match up. Yippee. So it's negative 2r to the 6. So negative 2 times 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 negative 2. Did I say that right? Is 64 r to the 6. I think I did. Yeah, surely I did. Number 29. This would be 2x, so I'm just distributing. I'm just going, and then I'm going like that. So that'd be 2x squared minus 4x to the 0, which is 2x squared minus 4. Interesting. That was kind of fun. Number 30. Okay, so I'm distributing this whole thing here, and I'm distributing this whole thing here. Not a fan of the arrows, but oh well. X squared y to the 0 minus 3xy to the first. So that's going to be x squared minus 3xy. Number 30. Number 31. I've already split up the fraction and made it into two fractions. The those dudes cancel out, so that's 2. And then there's a 3, because, you know, those simplify. And then this a to the second moves up and makes that a to the 4th. I like that one. And I like writing bigger. Wow. Number 32. I've already split this up. So this would be 4. N squared moves up. And then 2. And these dudes cancel out each other. Huh. Well, that was it. Okay. That's it. No weekend homework. You're welcome. You already have the assignments for next week. I will continue to push forward, right? Let's see. Yeah, we've done 4 days. Days 1 and 2, days 3 and 4. That's awesome. It looks like we're going to do even tougher problems on days 5 and 6. Yeah, that looks right. And on day 6, we're going to talk about how you guys can get some credit, or how I can actually start writing down some homework grades and having them ready to go into Skyward at least, okay? So even though it looks like day 5 and 6 doesn't look like much work, believe me, we're going to have a little more to do than just that. So hang tight on that, and I will post a new video on Monday. Good day.